So guys, I went back to Joann Fabrics. I said I may go back to get some more of the flowers and some candles. So I did go back yesterday. So I wanted to share with you guys what I got. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, please do stick around. So for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Claudette with Miss Puff Creative Corner. So these are the candles I got the last time, and I went back to get some more of these. And of course, everything was almost gone. But they did have a lot of candles, but I really love this style. And they had quite a few, but the weekend, I guess they cleared it out. And I had got these here for 49 cents each. They were on clearance for $2.47. But I'm going to show you some of the candles that I got, and these are cool. Especially, I stay in Florida. I live in Florida. For hurricane season, if the power goes out, it's always nice to have candles around, right? Okay, so let's start out with showing you some of the candles I got. Look at these candles right here. These are so cute. I just love that they're in these clay jar. I love the color of it. I love that green color of these. And this one here is, they call it Firefly Elements, and in a ceramic green jar. And these were originally $34.99. $34.99. And then they were given, it was 90% off. And then I got additional 30% off of my whole order to the end. And this have such a lovely scent. These are scented. They smell so good. So this one I got at $1.72, and this was originally $34.99. Then they had a small little one, and this small one was $22.99 original price, and I got it I got this for $1.14. $1.14, and I think those, and this is the same Firefly. They have the same scent. So those are so beautiful. I thought they were so cute. And it's like a neutral color. I think it could go with almost any decor. So I got these larger candles. They come 2 in a pack. I like this taupey color. And they have those little ridge grooves in there. And these were originally $7.99. So I got each pack for 40 cents. Then they had it in a smaller 4-pack, and they had these green right here, and this was 40 cents also. So I like those colors, so I got that. Then they had these glass jar candles right here. So these here are fake, but they're these are battery operated. I don't know if you could see the color. It kind of flickers. Isn't that pretty? And I like, they had some iridescent one, but I didn't like the iridescent look. I just like the plain clear one. And this was originally $24.99. And then I got this for $1.23. I thought that was such a good deal. Then they had this one here. This is a LED candle. And I just love how this one looks, and it has like the look of melted candle coming down the edges here. I just love the shape and the design and this little bottom piece in the gold. And this was originally $9.99. So, and it's battery operated. And then I got this for 49 cents. 49 cents. So I think that's it on the candles that I got. So let's see what else next I'm going to show you. All right, so let's clear this out of the way. Let's show you what else I got. I got some other crafty stuff too. Let's show you those. So they had these cute little birdhouses. These are wooden birdhouses. These were $2.99. Wooden birdhouses. These are so gorgeous. I like how they have the little grooves there. And then the roof, I just love the shape of it. And this is a nice size. So now for the birdhouse, I got these for 37 cents. 37 cents. So I picked up 5 of those. I just love the shape. It's nice and flat. You could add them to your wall. So I picked up 5 of those. And I think those are nice crafty pieces to have at 37 cents. You can't beat that. 37 cents. I got some more foam. I got some more of these foams, and this one I picked up the white glitter. These are really Nice. I just picked up two, and I got these 20 cents each. They were originally $1.99. These are 2 millimeters in thickness. They're 9 by 12 inches. So I picked up two of those at 39 cents each. Then I got some other foam here in this tan color. And then I got, let's see here, 5 pieces of these. And these are nice if you like to do little gingies. And these I got for 10 cents each. 10 cents each. So these add some dimensions to your projects. You could use them for your shaker cards. These are just perfect for that. So just 10 cents each. And the cocoa and the tan color foam. And those are also 2 millimeters in thickness. Then I also got this blood blue raffia, and this was only 21 cents. Isn't that pretty? It's really a nice color. And this was $2.97 on clearance. And then these others here were 89 cents original price. Then I also got some green felt. I got these. I think these come down to 2 cents each. Isn't that some beautiful green for the holidays? I felt these were originally 59 cents. I got them down. I got them for 2 cents each, and I got quite a few. So that was cool. So that was nice. And then I got this pillow, this XO pillow, and this, I'm surprised with it being white, it was still in pretty good condition. So I got this pillow for, let's see, I got it for $2.94, and it was still in pretty good condition for $2.94. So I picked that up. And then also I picked up some thread. You could always do with thread, huh? So this one I got for 30 cents. Okay, these here were variation between $2.99 and $5.99, that prices. So I got this for 30 cents. And then this one here I got for 40 cents. And this says bowl hand quilt. This one I got for 59 cents. And then these two I got for 49 cents. You always need thread. So, I mean, besides sewing with, you could use it for your craft, like your paper crafts, sewings on your cards too as well. So I picked those up. Then I also got some paint. Let me show you the paints that I got. Okay, so I got this, picked up this tulip puff paint. It's glitter in a red. And that was originally $5.99, so I got that for 59 cents. Then I went back and got some other jars of paint. They still have a lot of paint left over, a lot of paints. So let's see, I got this Your Home, that Americana Your Home paint. This is a beautiful pink. It was originally $12.99. And these I got for $1.29. This is like a beige kind of color. This one here is nice. This is a soft sea spray color, it's called. And I got these for $1.29. Then I got some more chalk paint, and I like this like pastel yellow. And this was for $9.99, and I got it for 98 cents. Then I saw this, this is like a wood tint. It says gray, and this was originally $9.99 folk art. And then I got this here for the same 98 cents too as well. Then last but not least, I went back and I got me some more of these stem flowers, and I got 10 more. So that's nice because once I get my nice little big vase, I could really make it look nice and full. The previous haul I picked up 5, and then this time I picked up 10. And these here now, I think the last time each stem had cost me $1.20. Now these here only cost me 39 cents each. Oh, if I knew it would have been so cheap, I probably would have picked up some more. Look at that. I just love it. I think that is going to look so nice, and a nice little circle bulby looking white vase, a large one. So that's my haul, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you guys on that next video.